Coccyx also helps in the personal identification in mass disasters by revealing the gender of the unidentified bodies. So let's take a look into it. There are slight variations in the male and the female coccyx. Most of the coccygeal parameters are larger in males as compared to the females. Male coccyx is curved sharply inward and the female coccyx is nearly straight. Mean coccygeal straight length is larger in males, that is almost 33.8 millimeters, than in the females, which is 31.5 millimeters. Also, the sacrococcygeal angle, which is basically calculated by drawing a line through the S1 and drawing another line through the C1 segment. In males, this angulation is greater, that is 116.6 degrees, and in females, it is 111.6 degrees. On the other hand, intercoccygeal angle is calculated by drawing a line through the first and the last coccygeal segment. In males, it is calculated to be 140.9 degrees, and in females, it is 145.1 degrees. So it is basically larger in females than in the males. So you can appreciate over here that in females, the intercoccygeal angle is slightly greater as compared to the males. Now, this is going to basically promote the fact that in males, the coccyx is anteriorly facing, more anteriorly facing as compared to the females. Now, this is going to help in the childbearing process in the females and make more space in the pelvic cavity due to the posteriorly and inferiorly placed female coccyx. So now you people are well versed with the anatomical features, the attachments, and the functions performed by our tailbone, which is known as the coccyx. Do like, share, and subscribe to our website. In addition, do comment down below if you have any queries regarding this particular bone.